Alright, quiet down and listen up. Today we're doing something a little different. There's a property in Greenside, the old dormitory. It's been on our list for a while now to just move through and clear them out. The hurricane just bumped it up to the top of the list. We've had reports of increased activity in the area, mostly vagrants and addicts. We've had a call about gunshots coming from inside the building. And an officer has reported being injured while attending a call. The full details are still coming through, but they were injured in some sort of altercation with a group in the building. They are safe, but we've been asked to lend a hand. I know this isn't our usual job, but this fucking hurricane really did a number on this city. We're all well aware the brass is working with skeleton crews, so we're going to have to pitch in and do things a little different to normal. The building was condemned before the hurricane hit. Now it's liable to collapse without warning, so the last thing we need is for a group of homeless to get too deeply rooted. I want to reiterate that I understand it's easy to lose focus on a job like this. But remember, we've already had one officer shot trying to sort this thing out. These folks are scared, and this building is their sanctuary. For most of them, it's the only thing they have in the world. It sucks, but everybody has lost something in this damn storm. They are no exception. We don't know what we're going to find in there. We know a number of these people are active drug users. We don't need any fuck-ups on this. Get in, clear it out, and get back here for a debriefing. This should be something short and sweet. Palate cleanser after everything we've been dealing with. But we all know things can go tits up in a heartbeat, so I want everybody focused. Any questions? Any issues? Anything that's been missed?
What's the relocation plan for any non-threats in the building? If we just push them away, they'll come back again. We've seen a number of pop-up shelters appearing since Antonio hit.
We've got people talking with some local official shelters. There are also a couple of programs to provide rooms for the homeless in some of the old run-down hotels in the city. This might sound cold, but the solution isn't for us to come up with. Our role is just to clear that building out as best we can without causing a large domestic incident. Now, I want equipment checks completed and everyone ready to load up in 20 minutes.
You want to know something? Just this morning, my little boy asked me if I was one of the good guys. What did you do?
You got point.
Talk to entry team. Suspects are refusing to negotiate. You are clear to move in.
I got barf bags if you need them.
Use the mirror. Check for targets.
Juan's ready. Safe. No traps. All clear.
Fall in.
On your six.
Provide cover.
Roger that.
Check it with the mirror.
Got it. Locked. How do you want to do it? Mirror ready. Several openings. No device here. Contact unarmed.
Go, go, go!
Confirmed. Opening on the right. Opening on the left.
Police, get down!
Hands on your head! Do it now! Get on the ground! Now!
Don't move, sir.
I'll get him ready. Gotta do this for safety. Good here. Civilian is ready. Checking the area.
Cover this area.
Roger.
Open, bang, and clear.
Flash switch. Got an opening here. Opening on the right. I got nothing here.
With the knife down! With the knife on the ground! With the knife on the ground! The whole report!
Don't resist.
Kick it out there,
No, talk.
Put the knife down!
Lead, this is Talk. Trailers en route.
Restraining.
Searching the added bag.
Shut up and don't move.
Put the knife
You're
on
not
the
the only one
ground!
with a gun, bitch.
Suspect cuffed and secured.
Put the knife down!
I'm not going.
Suspect secured. Ready for pickup.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife on the glass!
We're ready.
Turn around and stay still.
Get it? Got a job to do.
Hurricane took everything. This
We
is
have a
all I have
suspect in
left.
custody.
Doc here. Trailers ready.
Please, you gotta let me go.
Elements, talk.
My mom.
Suspect good to
Well,
go.
she's got.
Doc here. Proceed with mission.
On me, move.
On your six.
Fuck you. Fuck off. Fat chance, bitch.
Mirror for suspects.
Roger. I got the mirror. More than one opening. Nothing. We're good. We're clear.
Get the door and move in.
Acknowledge.
My fucking head!
Ready to knock.
Freaky!
Opening on the right. Kimla, you're over here, boss. Nothing here, sir.
Provide support.
Behind you.
I see you!
Wanted.
Acknowledged. Wand ready. Opening on the left.
I mean, at least
It's
I
good.
fell as a roof over my head.
One armed suspect.
Ran the door. Deploy
I'm on it.
flashbangs.
Swap with me. Knocking it down.
Let's go! Let's go!
Opening on the left.
Put the knife on the ground! Drop the knife! Bueno, look at there!
Like clear over here, boss.
Turn around. Keep your hands up.
Doing a sweep. Need you to move. You're in my spot. In the way, Chief. Lead the talk. Good to go. Need you to slide
Talk
over.
to lead. Great work. Keep going.
Stewart, the guy putting cuffs on you.
Got it back. Suspect is ready.
Lead. Stop it. Back it up. Suspect secured. Ready for trailer.
Entry team. This is
Police,
Talk.
get out of there!
Send them our way.
Hands on your head. Move! You're gonna be
You're gonna
okay.
get us all killed. Y'all serious with this?
Leave the talk. One civilian detained.
Lead, this is Talk. Trailers en route.
Can't be real.
Check it with the wand.
Yep. Got the wand. It's clean. Area clear.
On me.
bit, will you?
Get down! I want to see
I
hands!
want you to get down slowly.
Don't come any closer.
Let me see those hands!
I'll get down!
Moving into handcuffs. Civilian ready to go. Talk. Civilian is good to go. Civilian ready to transport.
Dock 2 entry team. Proceed with mission.
I've got friends. Friends with guns.
Let's move.
Getting into place.
Go ahead. Get your jollies off. Fucker.
Breaching.
Moving.
Opening on the left. Empty over here. No contacts. Empty over here. No contacts. You gonna move?
Move, move, move. Moving in.
Hallway left. Good here. Swap with me.
Moving in.
Got an opening up ahead.
Police, get down! Hands up, above
Got
your
nothing
head!
here. Nothing.
Get down on your knees, hands up!
Your ass, I'm gonna take my time.
Stay calm.
Take these off!
Elemental talk. Civilian cuffed and ready to provide support on me.
I'm with you.
Dock reporting. Send them.
I ain't going back inside for finding a place to sleep.
Ram and clear.
Getting into position. Breaching, breaching.
I'm going.
Opening on the left. Nothing. Camera light out. Nothing here, sir.
Police.
On my 6.
I got you.
LSPD, don't move!
Want some more, asshole?
Move in, bang the room and
Getting
clear.
into place. Flash.
Hands in the air.
I'm done.
To do anything.
Calm down.
This is weed. Nothing else.
Suspect in custody. Ready for transport.
This is Dock. Trailers en route.
Restrain them.
Restraining.
I want that gun down now.
Zipped up. Entry team to talk. Talk. Suspect secure. Suspect in
Entry team, this is Dock. We're ready.
I'll save it.
Not a safe fucker. Fucking bullshit. Fuck you. Not a chance. Screw you. Don't let me see those hands. Fucker.
Hands up, drop the police, you're under arrest! Hands up, asshole! Now!
Okay, no more.
Turn around slowly.
Ever hear of a prescription?
Talk. We have one suspect in custody.
Dock to element. Trailers notified.
Waiting on you.
Fall in behind me.
I got you.
Police, come out! LSPD, come out now!
Police, come
Get
out!
out of there now! Police, down on the ground! Hands up! Drop to your knees!
We got a rat!
Officers are
This
waiting
is
outside.
procedure.
Good to go.
Leave me!
Entry team to talk.
You
Suspect
leave.
standing by for
I
transportation.
This is Talk.
Zip it up.
Trailer standing by.
Open and deploy
In
flashbangs.
position. Flash switch. Opening on the left. Got an opening here. Dropping a light.
Down on the ground! Down on your knees!
Oh, God!
Don't move. Stay put.
Come on, I didn't do
Leave the talk.
anything!
Civilian good to go for evac.
Talk to Element. Move on.
Got something here.
Let's go!
Opening on the right. We got a hallway to the left.
Police!
Turn
Hands
around.
in the air!
Stay quiet.
I got nothing here.
I can't go back to jail.
Lead to talk.
Police, get
One
down!
talk.
No need to
Compliance.
escalate this.
Talk reporting. Trailers inbound.
No part in your vendetta against us.
Hands up!
Don't
Do
shoot.
it now! Turn around. Don't get up.
I've done nothing to warrant this.
Element to talk. We have a civilian in custody and ready for transport.
Talk to lead.
Begin a search.
Trailers
Secure
inbound.
all
Proceed
contacts.
with caution.
Sweeping. Searching the area.
What's going on?
Search and secure.
Checking. Checking the area.
Nothing.
Searching.
Servants, be obedient to them that are your masters.
Searching.
According to the
Securing
flag.
the area for any contact. Doing a sweep. Securing the area for any contacts. Sweeping. Searching the area. Sweeping. Checking the area. Searching. Checking the area. Doing a sweep. Doing a sweep. Securing the area for any contacts. Searching the area. Sweeping. Checking. Checking.
On me. Move.
Gotcha, 6.
Should be you in these fucking ties.
Search and secure the area.
I'm on it.
Secure the area.
Yep.
Element, this is Talk. Nice work, entry team. First round's on me tonight.
Real.